Now it's time to ask the $1,000,000 question. Just how and when do you ask the viewer to subscribe to your channel? YouTube analyzed thousands of trending channels that took advantage of the pandemic to grow their subscribers. Meaning, these people started with a small channel and because of the pandemic, lockdown, and quarantine situation, grew their channel in a relatively short amount of time. So what did YouTube find out? What were these channels doing differently than everyone else? These channels treated a viewer like a potential friend, and they simply extended a casual offer of friendship to their channel. You see, the psychology of getting a subscriber on YouTube is like making a friend. If you are chatting with a stranger at a party and you like the person, how do you make them your friend? You cannot just keep on asking, hey, wanna be my friend? Hey, wanna like me and wanna be my friend? Hey, wanna like and subscribe to my channel? No, that would not only be annoying, but desperate and even creepy. To turn a stranger into a friend, you offer value, establish a connection, and indirectly offer your friendship. You basically talk about some things you have in common, share an interesting story or two, and you casually say something like, a couple of my friends and I play volleyball on the weekends. It would be fun to have you around. That's indirectly asking for the friendship. You seal the deal and confirm the friendship at the end of the conversation by casually offering a specific get-together at a later date. So you continue the conversation for a few more minutes and end it by saying something like, hey, you know what? We are going to play some volleyball this Sunday at the beach. The weather is going to be awesome and it's going to be fun. Want to join us? That's directly asking for the friendship. Interesting enough, that's what these trending channels were doing to get subscribers during the pandemic. They were giving value in their videos, using common lingo to relate to the viewer and immediately, but indirectly, asking for the channel subscription by using simple animations like this. Then right before the video ended, they told the viewer exactly what to expect in the next video and casually but directly asked for the subscription to join them. Since we analyzed dozens of channels that were doing this, I'll just give you the one example that I think did this the best. Check this out. Prior to the pandemic, this channel posted about video games and included gameplay commentary about all different kinds of games. When the pandemic hit, the most popular game, if not the only new game out in the market, was Doom Eternal, a first-person shooter game. This channel doubled down on that game and posted tips, tricks, and strategies only about Doom Eternal. You can see his views went from hundreds to thousands. And now, this channel has 80K subscribers and still growing. What was his secret? How and when did he ask for the subscription in his videos? His videos are full of tips on how to beat the difficult demon enemies in the game.
So all these new factors in the DLC make the idea of using the Unmaker tactically to eliminate super heavies very attractive. Here's how you do it. Freeze the Baron, shoot him with 7 rounds of Unmaker, super shotgun, ballista, he's dead. Wow, that was easy, wasn't it? Ice bomb, rocket.
See what he just did? He dropped the value bomb and indirectly asked you to subscribe by using a simple animation. It was so quick that it was almost subliminal. Let's see it again.
Here's how you do it. Freeze the Baron, shoot him with 7 rounds of Unmaker, super shotgun, ballista, he's dead. Wow, that was easy, wasn't it? Ice bomb.
He then continues the video using lingos that only gamers understand and appreciate, and showed all the different ways to defeat these difficult demons.
You can shoot lock-on rockets while tossing a grenade, the grenade explodes, faltering the Baron, opening him up to the Unmaker, super shotgun, dead. Remote detonation falter plus Unmaker and grenade, super shotgun, blood punch, full auto, dead. Microwave beam plus grenade, Unmaker, microwave beam, super shotgun, dead.
At the end of the video, he directly tells you to subscribe to his channel and tells you to share it with your friends who want to get good at this game. He also mentions his next video will be the Ancient Gods 2, which is the next game in the series.
Make us change our approach, and I find that really exciting. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel and send these guides to your friends that need to get better at the game. We'll be talking about the Ancient Gods Part 2 really soon. Thanks for watching.
Notice how convincing this method is in converting a visitor into a subscriber? to review, after you drop a value bomb, after you share a valuable secret or tip in your video, immediately use this animation to indirectly remind the viewer to subscribe. This works wonders because psychologically, people are more likely to do what you ask immediately after they receive something of value from you. Second, at the end of the video, directly ask people to subscribe and tell them specifically why. What's the next video you will make and why they wouldn't want to miss it? Okay, I want you to start using this secret right away to get more subscribers. So I will give you this green screen animation in the next episode for you to download and use for your videos. The episode after that will show you how to add this green screen animation to your video if you are using Adobe Premiere. So go ahead and download this animation right now and I'll show you how to start using it in your videos.